Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first you should go into the gallery application, and then here, for example, we wanna just hide these 3 photos. So you should just hold for a while one from the photo which you wanna hide. I'll go with these 5 photos, and just here tap to the more icon, and now just tap here to move to secure folder. Oh, now here just tap to agree, tap to continue, wait a couple of seconds while the device creating the secure folder. And as can you see, our items just moved to the secure folder. We got here this message, and they are gone from our today's folder, from our just device photos. And just we'll answer, where is this secure folder? This folder is right there on the apps menu. Just maybe here. Okay, just will here enter the secure folder. Yeah, it's right here, and here we got our folder log type. I will just tap here with a pattern. I just tap to continue. Oh, tap to confirm, and now as can you see, we got here our secure folder, and tap here to the gallery, and as can you see, these 5 photos here right there on this folder. And if you want to just remove these all folders, for example, all folders from this folder, just select them, tap here to more, and tap to move out of secure folder. And as can you see, they are just gone, they are moved out from the secure folder, and now we just can't see them here. They are visible in our just gallery. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.